Today my guest is Professor Danica Chen from UC Berkeley. After this interview, she is going to give a lecture on the 10th Anti-Aging Research and Drug Discovery Meeting on the mitochondrial diseases or the regulation of stem cell aging. And it is really nice to be here, Dr. Chen. My first question is that stem cells lose, we all know that stem cells lose their ability of reproduction age, but how does that happen and how to cope with that?
Yeah, that is a really great question. That's something that we spent the past 15 years trying to figure out. So what we found was that during aging, mitochondria, as you know, is the powerhouse of the cell, and somehow during the aging process, mitochondria accumulate stress. This can be the oxidative stress, or, for example, reactive oxygen species, or the protein folding stress inside the mitochondria. So all this stress increases during aging in stem cells, and this leads to their functional decline, the compromised maintenance of stem cells. Yes, I think it's something very promising. So what's happening is that this deterioration is just not a passive accumulation of stress. It's actually a regulated process. And what we found is that several sirtuins, 32, 33, and 37, become inactivated in stem cells during aging. And this leads to accumulation of mitochondrial stress. So what this suggests is that we can activate these sirtuins and suppress mitochondrial stress, and leads to improve the stem cell maintenance. And we have done genetic experiments to test this model. And what is also exciting is that now, as you may know, that people are exploring NAD boosting to activate sirtuins, and has also been shown that NAD boosting can suppress mitochondrial stress and improve stem cell maintenance.
And that maintenance will be enhanced, and it can conduct towards the longevity of model animals, the health span, or lifespan.
Yes, so NAD boosting has been shown in various contexts related to aging. So I just mentioned that it can improve stem cell maintenance and tissue regeneration. So that would contribute to improved health span, and has also been shown to increase lifespan in mice as well.
In addition to stem cell researches, we also have insights into metabolic diseases, especially fatty liver. How does these things happen and develop? How can we prevent that?
Yeah, so it's that's also a very good question. And now what's interesting is that as we age, we are more likely to have these diseases, right? And now it's interesting, and it's also understandable that many aging pathways actually participate in this regulation. And what we found is that 37 actually can prevent the development of fatty liver disease, and that is because 37 can suppress ER stress, and ER stress has been shown to promote the development of fatty liver disease.
What do you think are the most promising anti-aging interventions?
We are. I think we are living in a very exciting time. So there are so many promising approaches, interventions being tested right now. I think we just needed to wait and see the clinical trial results. But before that, I think we already have lots of data in terms of diet, right? Calorie restriction has been studied for nearly a century, and exercise. So all these lifestyle changes can be very important.
Yes, lifestyles may be far more important than other
certainly very important in terms of prevention, right? So, but I think whether or not it's probably not going to be sufficient for treating the disease, right? So we still need to rely on drugs.
So the prevention, it sounds like prevention is far more important than treating. It is also coincide with our traditional Chinese medicine. Thank you so much, Dr. Chen.